Hello all. In this video, we will look into at autoclosure attribute in Swift language. This attribute is a syntactical sugar that allows one-liner expression in a signature for parameters while invoking method and function. Are you confused? Don't worry, we'll look into some examples. The slide shows two functions which has the same name defined with and without at autoclosure attribute. Take a minute to pause to understand the difference. If you are back, you can notice that the difference is in the closure expansion, where in case of the function which has at autoclosure attribute, we can pass directly the expression, whereas in the second case, we have to pass it via the closure body. If we try to compile the function without the at autoclosure attribute and passing in a one-liner expression, it will cause compilation error. The output of the compilation error is depicted in the above slide. In order to fix the compilation error, we may have to use a valid closure syntax as depicted in the above slide. At autoclosure works in hand with at escaping and at non-escaping annotations. In the example, if you see, we have a compilation error that is thrown while capturing a non-escaping parameter. We can fix this by marking the completion parameter as at escaping along with at autoclosure. Now, let's try to compare the assembly code generated for either of this function. The idea is to understand if there is any impact of the at autoclosure attribute at the machine code level. Now let's leverage the file that has the function written main1 and main2. The main one has a autoclosure attribute and the other one doesn't have that. We'll try to compile this with the Swift compiler and generate the executable. Once the executable is generated, we'll try to use the O tool and extract the assembly code from the executable. We will now diff the assembly code generated, which is written to the text file. Once the diff tool is used, we'll be able to see that there is only the difference in the name of the file, which is main1 and main2. Rest all the content is exactly the same. So we can conclude that there is no effect in the machine code, and at autoclosure is an attribute that acts as a syntactical sugar by allowing a one-liner expression in the signature for parameter while invoking a method or a function. Hoping this video have added value in your learning journey. Happy to see you all apply this takeaway and learning. Thank you.